Hello, guys. Happy New Year to you all, and I wish you and your family a lovely and wonderful, happy 2026. So, I'm here to update you and show you what happened on the last bias I called out 3 days ago. That was in 2025. So, if you remember very well, I told you that I was waiting to see price retest this level looking left. I was waiting for price to retest the level, the previous high looking left. So I said I was definitely waiting to see price retest the level, and then I'm going to look to go in for a buy trade. So I also went for that to said in my previous video. If you haven't watched the video I posted 3 days ago, you have to go watch the video so you can grasp what I'm definitely talking about. I then said that I'm waiting immediately or once I found confirmation that I'm going to go in for a buy trade. And I also went further to say that market was creating a new high. So market was creating higher highs and higher lows. I highlighted that on the previous video as well. And you have to go watch that to grasp what I'm exactly talking about. So this is eventually what was happening. Market was creating new highs and higher lows. And on this particular day, I then said I was waiting to see price eventually break above the resistance and then the retest on the resistance, and then I'm gonna go in for a buy trade. So this was definitely what I've been waiting for, and you can go watch the video to understand exactly. So I said this was definitely what I'm waiting for price to eventually create a new high and then go in for a retest. And what happened on my 4 hour time frame? On my 4 hour time frame, I definitely spotted this hammer candle. As you can clearly see, I've clearly labeled it as hammer candle pin bar. So I spotted this on my 4 hour time frame. And whenever this happens on the 4 hour time frame, eventually it's a sign of a reversal pattern. So whenever this candle pattern or whenever this kind of formation has been identified or found or shows up on the chart, it clearly means it's a reversal pattern. So on this case, as you can clearly see, it's been labeled. It's a hammer candle. So I'm waiting, and what I said, I was saying I was waiting for a retest on the previous high, looking left. So looking left means exactly this. I'm just going to highlight it so you can also understand when I said looking left. So if you can see, here was the previous high price go to. Here was the previous high, and here was definitely the resistance level. So here was the previous high that price got to. And when I say looking left, so you just have to look left and see what's happening. And this is a pure formation of a market structure. It's a clear formation of a market structure. When you see price creating new highs, higher highs and higher lows, and when you look clearly, you can clearly see exactly what I'm talking about. That price eventually broke above this high that price came to. Then price broke above it. And then what happened? Price broke above it, and price also, before the market was closed, which was yesterday on the 31st, market closed around 8, that's around 8 p.m. So you can clearly see that market came to retest this level, and you can see the hammer candle. And what happened? We begin to see buyers stepping in into the market before the market closed. So we just have to see what the market is going to do, what price is going to do when the market officially opens again. So we're just going to see like it's holiday, like it's first of New Year, so the banks are on holiday and they closed. So we just have to see what is going to happen when the market officially opens. But it's clear that market has set up for a bullish continuation. For me, as long as this price hasn't broken this level yet, price hasn't broken this level, I'm definitely going to be positioning for a battery, like I said. So you just have to go watch the previous video, smash the subscribe button, so you can then see what I'm expecting, my thought process behind all this stuff. Because for me, this is how I trade. I tend to mark out my levels. Once I mark out my levels, all I need to do is to see price show me what it wants to do. Is to see price reveal itself. For me, it's all about analyzing, marking out my levels, then wait patiently for price to reveal itself, and then all I have to do is to execute on the trade. So that's why I want you guys to go hit the subscribe button. I want you to like if you like me to post more of my biases, because this is just how I trade. I'm just documenting my journey so you can also see how my thought process is, so you can see that we're not just guessing. We trade in based on structures, we trade in based on market structures, and we also trade in based on plans and discipline. So if you do like my content and you do want me to do more of my biases as well, and show you my thought process, the brain behind it, I want you to go hit the subscribe button, like for more.